If you're working in a LibreOffice Writer and you want to move text into the next column without adding a new page, a manual column break is the fastest way to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to insert a manual column break in LibreOffice Writer step by step so you can control your layout much more precisely. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting from scratch, on the left side under Create, click Write a Document. If you already have a document open, you can use that instead. This works the same way either way, so choose the file you want to edit. Now, take a moment to find the exact spot where you want the next column to begin. This part is important because the manual column break will send everything after your cursor to the next column. So click directly in the document at the point where you want the text to shift over. Once your cursor is in the right place, go up to the top menu and click Insert. This is where LibreOffice keeps the options for adding breaks and other layout controls. After you click Insert, look for More Breaks. Click that and then choose Manual Break from the menu that appears. A dialog box will open with different break options. Here, select Column Break. This tells LibreOffice that instead of starting a new page, you want the content to continue in the next column on the same page. After selecting Column Break, click OK to confirm. And that's it. The text after your cursor will move to the next column immediately. If your document is formatted with columns, this is the cleanest way to control where each section begins. It's especially useful for newsletters, brochures, reports, and any document where you want a more polished layout. If the text doesn't seem to move the way you expected, double check that your document actually has columns set up first. A manual column break works best when the page is already divided into columns. If needed, you can set up columns through the page or section formatting before inserting the break. This is a small feature, but it can make a big difference in the way your document looks and flows. Instead of pressing Enter repeatedly and hoping the text lands in the right place, you're using a proper layout tool built into LibreOffice Writer. That gives you more control and helps keep everything neat and professional. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials on LibreOffice and other software tools. And if you want, check out the rest of my channel for more simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.